What's up, Wally here from Geek.ng. If you're looking for a budget phone, something nice but not too expensive, this is one of those you should give some serious consideration. Courtesy of Jumia Nigeria, I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A here and we're unboxing on this short video. Now I'm going to quickly go over the specifications printed at the back here. This phone has a 5.5-inch display with a 720p resolution, a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. It's got a Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor clocked at 1.4 GHz, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. Well, if the storage is too small for you, you can go for the Redmi Note 5A Prime with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. This phone supports 4G LTE on most mobile networks here in Nigeria. You've got a 3080 mAh battery and it comes with Android 7.0 on MIUI 8. You're getting all this for just about 34,000 naira. Let's tear this open, shall we? The design is good but not exactly breathtaking. It feels light cause it weighs only 150 grams. It's got a plastic build and you can feel that right away. At the bottom are two grills, one for the microphone, the other for the mono speaker. In between is the micro USB port. At the front, you've got a 5-megapixel camera and the light sensor at the usual place above the screen. And at the bottom of the screen are these navigation keys, which are not backlit, by the way. On the right is the volume rocker and the power button. At the back is the 13-megapixel camera with a single LED flash. Sorry, no fingerprint sensor. The back cover is actually plastic, but the finish gives it a metallic look. On the left is the SIM tray. Well, it's a good thing you can use two nano SIM cards and a micro SD card all at the same time. At the top here is the infrared blaster, the 3.5mm audio port and noise cancelling microphone. Checking out the items on the box, we have this documentation, a micro USB cable, a 2 amps wall adapter, and a SIM ejector tool. For a phone at this price point, the screen looks good and exceptionally bright. This phone runs MIUI 8 on Android 7.0, but there's an update already to MIUI 9. At just about 34,000 naira, this little guy packs a punch. Whether you like to hear this or not, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A looks very much like a phone that offers more than other devices in this same price range. Being a budget phone, my expectations for the camera were very low. But Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A takes decent pictures in good light conditions. You shouldn't expect much in terms of dynamic range and low light photography though. The 5-megapixel front camera too isn't bad. It comes with two features I appreciate: face tracking and manual focusing. For its price, you can't complain. Unlike Xiaomi Mi Max 2 and Xiaomi Mi A1 I reviewed recently, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A works flawlessly with Intel and SpectraNet. I won't lie, the fingerprint sensor is noticeably missing, but if you're willing to spend a few extra bucks, perhaps you should go for the Redmi Note 5A Prime. The Redmi Note 5A, Redmi Note 5A Prime, Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus will be on sale during the upcoming Jumia Mobile Week starting March 19. You can find a link to purchase down in the description below. Now that Jumia is back to selling Xiaomi devices, here I am hoping that this is the first step in getting Xiaomi to become fully operational in Nigeria again. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.